Hi guys, in this video I show you how to add your YouTube channel or single YouTube videos to your website in Wix. After finding the best place for your YouTube channel to appear on your website, we are going to create in this case a new section, and then we are going to click on the plus button in the top left corner. Before adding the YouTube channel or YouTube videos, we are going to click on text and let's add a title and call it YouTube channel. After that, click on add apps in the left sidebar. Under the app market, just search for Wix video. Select Wix video from the search results and add it to your page. After adding, you should see something like this. If you now click on settings and click on the tab videos, you can choose between channel and single video. For this tutorial, we are going to add the whole channel, so just keep it like that. Click on new channel to add your YouTube channel. You will be forwarded to the dashboard. Inside the dashboard under video library, you can see the channels right here. Click on channels, go to new channel and click on YouTube feed. You now need to copy the link of the YouTube channel you want to add to your website. Just for an example, we are using this YouTube channel right here. Just click on the web address and copy the link of the YouTube channel, paste it right here and click on connect. Anytime you can change the feed right here, so it means you can also promote and add another YouTube channel if you want. Close the dashboard, wait a few seconds, and then you can already see here your YouTube channel. Select it and you have your YouTube channel now on your website. Just resize it and then you can click on preview to see how it looks like. Thank you for watching and see you next time.